Hey folks, it is Ben Orshak with Key Impressions, and I am about to have you come into a home that's a flip home over on, well, it's in a neighborhood by the mall, and I just wanted to take you through a quick tour on this, all right? Come on in with me, and let's see what we're going to find. All right, we are walking in from the back. This could be, like a sitting room. Sitting room here, and really what I think it was is the a carport, and it got converted. You got really good storage in here. I love the window, just letting in tons of light. We'll come around to the other side here, just show you, that window, tons of light is coming in. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and so you're gonna see a lot of good morning light in here. Take a look here at the floors. We're now heading from the back. This would be the front door that you would come into, and this is the main living area. Again, what I really love about this house, the bones here, is just all of that natural light that is just coming in. You really don't even need to put the lights on in this room if you were gonna sit in here in the morning with your coffee, reading a paper, whatever. It's all right here for you. We're swinging right around into the kitchen. Turn a light on in here, and I love the fixture. I love it. In this neighborhood, what you're seeing, this is over by the mall. What you're seeing in this neighborhood is a lot of these little extra details in the flips that they're doing. These homes were built, early 50s to the early 60s, and they've got really good bones, and they're just being, redone. I like the color scheme. These cabinets, very common. You're gonna see them at IKEA. They're not custom built. But this is a great, Frigidaire oven and stove. I have one similar at my house. I love the hood. I don't have that at my home, but I love the hood. I love the backsplash. The colors here. I like this Samsung refrigerator. And if you've noticed, on the front, there's not an ice dispenser. There's not a water dispenser. Quite frankly, I'm okay with that, because the first things to go on a refrigerator are going to be the water dispenser and the ice maker. So really, you're kind of saving yourself, a hassle. This is the freezer. I like that. Again, move it back. You got plenty of storage here. No ice maker down in here. I'm all right with that. Again, I think it's a hassle. It's saving you a hassle as far as repairs. It's a Samsung. You got a 10-year warranty on that. Same thing with the dishwasher. It's a Samsung as well, and that's quality. Samsung generally has really good quality as far as appliances, things like that. The countertop, beautiful, marble, and you've got the farmhouse sink here. And let me see if this is. Okay, so it's not the touch, the touch to turn on and off the faucet, but again, I like that style. It's very convenient. It's very good, very modern. The flooring here, again, I want to say, this is a vinyl, and you can kind of feel a little bit of the grooves, of the house. Again, this house was probably originally built sometime in the 50s. I'm just gonna swing through the living room again, and you're feeling that a little bit of that give in there. That's really not a big concern, to me anyway. It's not a big concern. It's still solid. And this is the bathroom here. You got a full bathroom. I love that rain, shower head. And it looks like you can adjust that and make it big. If I'm coming in there, it's gonna cut my neck. But You know, that's beautiful. You see my hand there, but I just, you know, I like the mirror. Hallway, this is the first bedroom. This bedroom is getting plenty of morning sun. You're definitely gonna have to get some curtains or something to block that out. I will say that just from experience here, just want to show you the fixture, that this room will get hot. It will definitely get hot. And so you're gonna want to maybe have like a heavier, dark curtain just to kind of, you know, try and keep it cool. But honestly, you don't even need an alarm clock. Leave it open when you wake up when the sun rises. So I like that. Hallway, you know, new HVAC system here. I'm not going to show you the HVAC in the back, but that's brand new. You know, I can almost guarantee you that the wiring has been updated to copper wiring. You know, I am not a licensed electrician. You're going to want to get a home inspection electrician to verify. This is your master bedroom. And while I'm thinking about it, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an attorney. Do not construe anything that I say as legal or tax or investment advice. Not that I'm going there, but you know, hey, don't sue me, all right? This is the master bedroom. This is windows leading out into the backyard. I like a good view. You got the little storage shed out there, and you can kind of see the porch out there. It's not screened, but this is your master bedroom. Again, look at that. You know, very nice, very well done, very tasteful. You know, again, I love the sink. You know, I love the touch here. This right here smells beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna have to get something like that for the house. Pacific Waters, great smell. Anyway, I like it. It's got the eco-friendly flushing system, so that you're not doing the full amount of water. If you don't have to, I'll let you figure out how that comes about. I will say that this is the third bedroom, and I want to show you something. We're not in the bedroom yet, but there's the light switch, and there's the light, okay? Turning it off, on, all right, we're outside. As far as I can tell, that is the only light switch for this bedroom. There is not an actual light switch inside the bedroom to turn on and turn the lights on and turn them off. So kind of weird to me. If I had brother or sister, you know, something like that, I mean, I'm gonna come in here and they're gonna be turning on my lights on and off and playing pranks or whatever. I don't know. Maybe if you don't have multiple kids or something, this is a guest room, and you know, hey, time to wake up. Flip that light on for them or whatever. But I found it odd. The other thing that I just want to point out, the flooring in here, if you haven't noticed it, is white. And from what I'm looking at up close, it's the original flooring, and they've just painted it white, which is okay. I don't know how well it's showing up here. It looks nice, but the problem is this is going to get dirty. You know, this is going to get dirty, especially if you got kids. You know, this flooring, sorry, I'm trying to turn lights off. This flooring is going to get dirty, and so you're either going to have a policy of take your shoes off outside, and everyone just has, you know, like house slippers, you know, to walk around. You know, or else you're going to be sweeping constantly, and you're going to have to be doing some type of mopping. You know, I don't know if it's showing up here, but you know, there's already someone else's footprint for being in here. You can see where people have been walking through. It's just showing up, you know, on the flooring. I don't know if I would have done that. You know, you saw the kitchen, you saw the cabinets, and those were great. I might have done the flooring like that to kind of tie in with the cabinets, but I'm not sure. I like the idea of keeping the original floor and then updating it by painting it. I'm just not sure I would have done it white. That's just me. But you know, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. I think it could work. It just needs maybe a different color. So plenty of storage. Plenty of storage. Oh wait, no, it isn't. That's the other thing that, you know, gets me. I mean, you got a washer and dryer hookup, you know, right here. You're gonna have to stack it. You've got your heater, right here. This is gonna make noise. It's definitely gonna make noise. If you're in here, you've got guests and you are gonna be talking or something, it's gonna make noise. That's just the way that these homes were built. My home, same thing. When the air conditioning comes on, the heater comes on, it's in the hallway, but it's straddling the living room and the kitchen. And so, I don't know, you learn to live with it, but just be aware, be aware. That's about it. This is a great home. I like this home. I like the fixtures. I like what they've done, the inside, the updates. I love the kitchen. I like what they did with that storage room. Out here they converted what would have been the carport and everything. I think this is a great extra room. It's got its own, air conditioning, and that's running. And this room is feeling noticeably a lot cooler than the other rooms. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this, kind of point out some of the things that you might not see or notice online just through the pictures, give you kind of a better feel. But overall, again, I like it. So I hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Right, so anyway, I just wanted to show you that. And again, this is a good flip in this neighborhood. I'm really happy about what's going on in this neighborhood, right around the Bayou, Springdale, Carpenters Creek area. And I like what they've done, but I just wanted to make the quick video, show you especially a couple of things with the refrigerator, the cabinets, but the flooring, and then that light switch. You're not going to see that online. You're maybe not going to notice that through the photos, but I wanted to point that out to you. I don't think that it kills the home, but you just want to be aware of it. You want your eyes wide open when you're making the purchase. So anyway, I hope you all have a great day. Talk to you real soon. All right, bye-bye. Hey guys, just real quickly, I noticed something here I wanted to show you. You see this is dug up. You see the I guess like the piping, entrance over there. There's one like where the water is for the county, and it leads up to the house. My guess is that they've redone the piping as well. Again, a lot of these homes, they have the lead piping, and that after a while is going to rust out, and all that good stuff. So it looks like they dug up the plumbing, from the water source, into the house, and they've replaced that. So kudos, if that's what actually happened, kudos. I have not pulled any permits or anything like that on the home, but that tells me that the person who is doing the flip is really thinking about some of those more details of the house that really affect the quality and the durability of the home. And that's, one is rewiring it for copper, which I'm almost positive they did that. But then secondly, to replace that plumbing, they spent a good chunk of money on things that flippers don't necessarily budget for, because they don't get a big return on their investment when they spend money. But anyway, we'll talk more about that at a different time. I just wanted to quick point that out.